Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to stop Facebook video autoplay. So for that, first of all, you open the Facebook application and then get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in into your account, you need to tap on the hamburger icon on the top right, that is the three horizontal lines. From there you need to tap upon the setting on the below. Tap on setting and privacy. Inside setting and privacy, you tap upon the settings. Once you're at the setting and privacy, you need to scroll down to the preference and you need to tap on media. Now here you will have the option of autoplay. Here there are three options on autoplay, that is on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, and never autoplay video. For you to stop autoplaying the video, you need to tap on never autoplay video option. Tap on that checkbox. Once you tap on that, and from now on the autoplaying on the Facebook videos will be stopped. So this is how you can stop Facebook video autoplay. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.